Straight back, you're good. Next one, let's go. Keep the line moving.
Welcome to the world's most advanced banana stem processing facility. Each stem is thoroughly washed to remove dust, soil, and impurities. Inside every stem lies strong natural fiber, ready to be extracted. Only the best quality stems continue to the extraction stage. Temperature and moisture are balanced for perfect fiber separation. The stems are now perfectly prepared for fiber extraction.
Now the real transformation begins as powerful machines extract natural fiber from each stem.
Unwanted plant pulp is separated and redirected for recycling. The fiber thickness is fluctuating slightly.
Increasing the tension by 5%.
Every strand is checked to maintain premium strength and purity. Moisture is carefully reduced before final drying. With extraction complete, the fibers move forward for refining and drying. The fibers are washed again to ensure absolute cleanliness and purity. Warm controlled airflow slowly removes all remaining moisture. Drying strengthens the fibers and prepares them for refinement. Advanced combing aligns every strand for maximum strength and smoothness. Every refined batch is digitally tested for uniform quality.
The fibers are now fully refined and ready for final processing.
Refined and perfected, the fibers move forward to spinning and packaging. The refined fibers are spun into durable, continuous threads. Precision controls maintain perfect tension and alignment. Threads are measured and cut into uniform bundles. Each bundle is shaped into strong, compact rolls. Every roll receives a traceable quality label. Automated systems prepare the finished rolls for shipment. Spun, shaped, and packaged, the product is ready for final inspection. Every finished roll is carefully inspected before leaving the facility. Only perfectly tested products move on to distribution. Each shipment is securely packed for safe transport. Orders are prepared and protected for long-distance delivery. The finished fiber is now ready to travel across the world. From raw stem to refined fiber, a journey of innovation and precision.
And that's how banana stem fiber is made, from raw plant to refined product.
Every roll represents precision engineering and sustainable innovation. A perfect blend of nature and technology working in harmony. From farms to factories, every step is crafted for quality. Innovation continues every day inside these walls. Subscribe and discover how the world's most fascinating products are made.